G'day legends, welcome back to another Friday install. The most important thing today is to stay hydrated. We're now in spring up here in Brisbane and it's about 32 degrees today, so bit of sweat. Anyways, here we go, this one. Woo! Pirate life! I love it. Right legends, have a sip. First most important thing of the job. I'd give one to the cameraman, but he hasn't earned it yet. No. We're running low, we're gonna get to the pub. Now, this week, we're back on the Jimny, as you know, that's why you're here watching. We've got ourselves so this is our dual battery, our custom lithium 100 amp hour slimline lithium battery mount with the full switch pedal. So you know already that we've got, which is already in the car, but you're gonna see me install it in a minute. We've already got the battery tray. Now this is the cover that goes around it, protects it, tidies it up, mounts a BCDC, mounts all your switches. Have a go at this. Look at this bit of goodness. This goes here, Anderson's. So we got 3 switch options, dual USB, 12 volt SIGGI and an angle plug, circuit breakers, got the works, unbelievable. So I'll show you how to install this one, very easy. First step, spin in that way. It's not going to stay, is it? Nah, so anyways. I actually need to get some more jewel lock out. Rookie. You put a little bit of the Velcro stuff here and a little bit there. This will stop it from flapping around basically. So it holds it down to the plastic. Cut a couple of these, it's a bigger one up there. Yeah, we don't want to do an L and cut our finger. Poor Al's is getting roasted. We're going to get a lot of comments from him on YouTube, I reckon. We love you, Al. But your name's not Al, so it's all good. That's just his YouTube name. Oh, nearly cut my finger there. Nearly did I.
Gonna get you.
Nearly did now. All the shit I've been talking. I'm in the hospital getting stitches. Get this bad boy, isopropyl. Give him a wipe. Now, same old spiel, legends. Don't touch the glue. Make sure that's a clean surface. Get him on there. Put a bit on the piss. My bad. Only get one go at it. If you peel it off, you ruin the glue. Push down nice and hard. 1 hour gives you 80%. 24 hours gives you 100% grip of the glue. It's on there. In case I didn't explain it well. Isopropyl, acetone, something like that. Clean all the fingery oil prints off there. I just put back on there. Make sure all that's gone, because the glue it'll ruin the glue. The adhesive, peel that back, put him on, make sure he's all good. That's on there, nice and beautiful. Now, inside the car, we need to see where this is going. We're just gonna wipe down there, and wipe down here where our glue's gonna sit. Swipe the whole thing, but where our glue's gonna sit, because we don't want to bloody have any issues with that. So then what we do is I'll get my 2 bolts, because we've just cut from this to this now because we just installed this. Lucky we're doing them both the same day, so not as bad. Now before we go ham, we're going to make sure we get these 3 bolts lined up, because once it's down, it's down. I think we're good here. So we sort of line these 3 bolts up here with the slots, and then we start lowering into position. Oh, look at that. He's done well. He's done well. Is it hard up? Yep. He's hard up on the plastic at the back. He's nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. The reason why the slots are so long is so you can actually line it up with the Velcro and get it in there and everything. Yep. Perfect. You get these bolted up. These 3 in. Banging on this one. This is my favourite one yet, this. Favourites. Righto, so that's got plenty on there. Make sure you put a bit of force down. Just make sure that's really on. Righto, next step, easy one. Now this battery here, this is Australian made custom lithium out of Brendale, out of north side of Brisbane. Now, this is 100 amp hour slimline they do. Bloody good bit of gear. I think it's just over $1,000 for a lithium 100 amp hour. It's not bad for the Jimny. We've tried to get many different size batteries, but they're all just too big up here and interfere with stuff. Now, they just look ugly, right? This is like the best we could find. And what we didn't want to do a custom made one because we didn't want to have to try and supply batteries and keep them in stock. This way, you can easily just get on a custom lithium, grab the battery if you want, or we may look at stocking these so you can buy them all in one place. We'll see how we go. So next step, pick it up. Now we've made it so terminals go this end because main reason, so you get an outlet here, so you don't want to be trying to go real tight. Because this here, if you're an auto sparky and you're watching this, or you're going on auto sparky, or you're wiring it yourself, the idea behind all our products on this side is you rip that out and run your wires back through that hole, so you're drilling no holes. If I find out you've been drilling holes, I'm going to be mad, because I've gone to a lot of effort to make sure we don't drill holes. Righto, so pick this bad boy up, weighs absolutely nothing. Oop. Look at that. Doit. Just clips in there nicely, and then the next step, which I haven't done, so it's going to be hard, I'm going to get some straps, and we're just going to pull that down. Job done. BRB. We'll be supplying straps with this kit. I'm working on right now. This says Bushman fridges. But at worst, we'll be supplying some grunt straps from Bunnings. Otherwise, we're working right now closely with someone to get these with pirate on them. So we'll see how we go. That will be cool. See what happens. So feed him up there. Clip him in like so. Beautiful. And then these will be a bit shorter. Chink. I'll cut that off in a minute. Oh. Get on there. Beautiful. Job done. Let's trim that up. So we're going to have 2 bolts to bolt it in that comes with it. Excuse me. Still suffering the Melbourne plague. Bloody hell. Peel this bad boy off. Don't need them on, but don't touch the glue, whatever you do. You'd be like me, a rookie. Now, same deal as the other one over there. We pick this up, but we've got to line up where it's going to bolt. And then we push it in and we slide it down. Oh, God. It's a struggle. It's a struggle, guys. It's struggle street. Why am I so useless? So at this. Oh, God. I don't understand what is happening here. Just go in the hole. So I don't have kids. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. I know. So, put a bit of pressure on there. Get the Allen key. We're cooking now. Don't be a rookie like me. This was me the other day. Scratched it up. Well, Jelly Roll will be mad at me now. Scratched the paintwork. Make sure, oh, there we go. So you're gonna make sure this is in the right spot because can't see there, it feels like it's right up. That looks like it's tidied in a bit better, yes. Perfect. Now if you really want to, we've got, please hold. If you have our storage pocket already and you really want to, you can reuse this, or if you want to buy one and put it in, I've actually made it so you can bolt this back on here, and it's going to sit a couple of mil off. I'm not going to pull that bit off. And it's going to sit a couple of mil off of here, so you can actually use this as a Molle, the strap stuff too as well. So that's another good option, but I'm going to peel this Velcro. You have to peel this Velcro off. It tucks underneath there. And then, yeah, and it bolts back on. But did that. So that leaves you a little bit of 4 or 5 mil gap there. And you can actually strap stuff to here still with your Molle. If you need to put torches on there, random little bits and pieces just to keep them tidied up, you know, you can just put them back on there. So the last piece of the puzzle is getting this beautiful pirate screen. Now the important thing here is, we want to hear from you. Drop some comments below. Let us know, what color would you like to see this? We're going to have to figure it out, what the best color would be. Like, we've tried to match this to the Jelly Roll, but unfortunately, just due to the logistical nightmare it is when you start getting too many orders trying to have different colors, we're not going to be able to give people huge color options, but we might be able to have 1 or 2 different colors. Obviously black on black looks crap. It isn't very piratey, right? So it's going to be like, look at this. This is magic. So it's got to be something different. So let us know in the comments below what you think will be an awesome colour. So this bit, really, really simple. Cover plate, drops on here. Bolt there, bolt up there. Bolt here. Bolt here. Bolt here. And a bolt here. And that's, since you haven't used the old cut power tools yet, we may as well give it a run because I'm lazy. Sneaky hydration beer. Righto legends, that's a wrap on this one. You know what to do. If you like this product, if you like this content, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, ding, the little bell button, because all that makes a huge difference. And of course, if you love this product, which I'm sure you did, because who couldn't? Pirate, Jimny, nah. Anyways, if you like this product, down below in the description, there will be a link. Head to the webpage, throw your purchase in. Merch is super cheap these days. Jump on the merch. Thanks for the spot, legends. See you next week.